So what we have here is Papertab, world's first paper computer. What we have is flexible sheets of plastic Logic e-ink paper, and we have added sensors of our own and created a computing system which essentially mimics your desk, your physical desk with sheets of paper. Why are sheets of paper so easy and comfortable to use is because you can quickly and concurrently access multiple data without having to flip between different windows of information. So while they have advantages of paper, this is also a computer. So what it means is these are aware of each other and they can sense each other. So I can interact with them very naturally and more intuitively. For example, here if you look, I have my inbox. I want to view all the emails I have in my inbox, and I also want to be able to read the first new email that just came on screen. I don't necessarily want to close my inbox just because I have to read my email. I just take up another sheet and I just pick the latest email that came up. Now, because it's flexible, I can also interact with it by bending. So I do a simple bend that I can recognize it's the corner. I don't have to try to remember where the button is. And now they're asking for a baby picture. And again, now I don't have to go through search for my file system and where my picture is. I know where my picture is. It's right here. So I just tap it onto the display and it gets attached. And now I just do another bend and poof, it's sent. So essentially what we are trying to do is reduce the cognitive load of the users who are using a computing system like this, because you're now focusing less on the navigational aspects of computing, because whenever you try to open a file, close a file, save it, etc., there's a bit of cognitive load added to it, and we are trying to reduce that load by taking advantage of the fact that we have been so accustomed to handling tangible physical objects, books and sheets of paper. Like, it's so natural to us to know where they are, easily to pick them up, pile them. So you can do them with this as well. You can pile a lot of these sheets of paper tabs, one on each other, and you can move them aside, you can use some more, and they can sense each other and be smart about it, and they can interact unlike paper.